Hey y'all. So I have the Norwex cloths again, the whatever it is, and the window cloth, and I just used it on my bike just to wipe it down because I didn't feel like going into a whole full cleaning. But you know, Diva is now turned into Dirty Diva, so I'll have to get a sticker for that. Anyway, so I just went out and wiped her down. This stuff works great on chrome. I got a lot of chrome on my bike. This works really great. So again, if you're out traveling and you got the little mini Norwex claws, they work really good on the bike. So I was running a contest, still am. I'm trying to get up to, I know, 100 subscribers. Sorry, but I'm not there yet. So come on, subscribe and comment below and enter, and you can get your own free set of Norwex cloths. So help me out. Come on, help a sister out. See y'all later. Have fun. Okay, so I should have taken a video before I wiped her down, but you can see how things are shining. Look how shiny that is. So she looks a lot better. I know she needs a nice good heavy duty washing. Oh, I missed some. Okay, so you can see right here see how nice and clean the oil section is, and the one right behind it, how bad that is. So you can see how dirty she was, and so probably a good thing I did miss a spot. Anyway, so she looks a lot better, and again, those claws really help. Ride time.